at the Seldom Seen Greenway trail right off of Route 51. We're going to go across this active trestle. It's going to be a little fast in case something comes. But don't turn back. This is an active train trestle. You can see how smooth the tracks are, so it's still in use. Some of the views. There's the walking trail down there, the waterway. Little walkway down there. There's a bridge for the water to go under the waterway. Yep. Seldom Seen Trailway. I like some of the sayings on this. Don't get scared. Don't look back. Train tracks go around the way there. Come around, we can look at the side. There's some people hanging out. Go on the other side. I'm gonna be under this bridge in a minute. We're just getting some good views. Make sure nothing's coming. And I'm gonna walk back over.